Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about an activity kit which is based on means of transport. The children love transport and children enjoy the concept of transport. But how to help the children segregate on land transport, what is air transport, what is water transport, and segregating in different places is very important. Now to teach segregation in a fun manner, this activity has come with that. So this sheet covers wherein there is air, land and water, all of the three things together. There's Velcro based wherein you can paste. Then there are separate land, water and air sheets so that you can paste the pictures or the Velcros. Suppose this is a rocket, it's going to be for air transport. And I thoroughly enjoyed this kit with Ribhav, and Ribhav, these all done by Ribhav, by the way. So Ribhav really enjoyed this kit. This kit comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 sheets, the separate sheets as well as one together. And each transport has got 8 cutouts, which is the Velcro cutout. So 8 3s are 24. So there are total 24 cutouts, which the child can enjoy. And all the types of transport are there. If you talk about scooter, fire station, it is a tractor, scooty, truck, car, cycle and auto. So almost everything we can think of is covered, and I truly love this kit. This kit is basically for the age group of 2 to 4 years. This is a perfect kit for the toddlers when you want to engage them, and great for traveling. So super simple. And with this kit I got this folder which is from the bookstore station. So it's simple to keep also, so that the child is not losing anything and everything is intact inside the folder, and the child happily carries it. Super simple, super light and super comfortable and enjoyable.